If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another Quant update. Now, nothing has changed since my last video update. Still within the golden pocket, the level of support that can't be lost is $97. In fact, if you remember from a few updates ago, we were mentioning how it's actually $87 that we do not want to lose. This is because when we ran into the golden pocket for the very first time, we got a rejection, and so we're meant to put in a new low below $40. However, we put in a higher low, so we need to mark that out and drag it forward. And I would usually say that it's the 0.5 that needs to hold, but because of that specific reason just explained, it's $87. So while Quant is above $87, we're still in a technical target to the previous all-time high. So not much has changed on the larger time frames. We can also see as we zoom in over the past few weeks or months or so, we have formed a bullish cross on the 5-day. Now, just pretend you saw a weekly bullish cross. What would you assume? That it's entering a bull market. So it's the same for the 5-day. It just acts as a precursor signal because there's a less of a build up of candles to make the average. It's only 5 days instead of 7. So that is of course now holding a support. It's also falling within that area that we've been talking about over the past few months, $103 to $110. And while that is of course support, I'm believing that we will just see upside. When 110 and 103 is lost, then yeah, we're looking to hit these levels of support. 97 then has to hold, 87 must then hold at all costs. But are we above 103 right now? Yes. So everything is looking good for the continuation high eventually. You can even see that if we can go ahead and reclaim the moving averages, maybe even take out $125, that we'd be forming another double bottom over here. And if we were to, of course, break out, then I need to get you some targets to the upside. The double bottom target might only take you back to the high, but we need targets beyond that point. So we've already got suggestions of potential $250 target that we pretty much already mentioned on the channel here. That's why nothing really has changed since that video. And I also haven't been making those daily updates because we're just simply waiting, guys. We're waiting for either this support to give in, invalidating that upside for now, and then putting us on a path to the downside, which again, at all costs, can't lose $87. So yeah, that's it from me today, guys. We're still above 103, 110, so 103 to 110. So while that is our support, there's still potential for a double bottom to eventually take us to that $430 previous all-time high, and then we can look at targets beyond that point. But for now, we're in the process of getting back to our all-time high, and we're holding all the key levels that need to be held in order to get that pump to the previous all-time high. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 8K as quick as possible. Now, if you want to get educated, I do have a course, Discord community, ebook and mentorship in place. Just message me for more information on all of those using the links down below. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour-long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.